US Ambassador Mary Kay Carlson pumalag sa China. Paulit-ulit kasing sinasabi ng Chinese Foreign Ministry na utusan lang tayo ng US. Sunod-sunuran lang kayo sa Amerika. At pagdating ng panahon, iiwan rin kayo niyan pag nagkagera. Pinalaga na yan ng US Ambassador. Di na siguro masikmura itong si Mao Ning. Babae sa babae ang labanan. Bakit? Masama bang tumulong sa bansang binubuli ng China? Iyak kasi ng iyak ng China di pa nga direktang tumutulong ang US sa atin. Papaano na lang pag sumama ang US sa resupply mission? Ano na kayang gagawin ng China Coast Guard?
The Philippines has an agenda that stands on its own. As our partner, we support that. They are not a pawn in a great power game. They have their own agenda that is important to the people of the Philippines. So yes, China is a factor, but the U.S.-Philippine relationship certainly stands on its own. We had a long and important relationship with the Philippines that had absolutely nothing to do with China.
Kasabay ng pahayag ni Ambassador Carlson, naglabas rin ng sariling pagbabanta si US Secretary of State Antony Blinken sa China na pag di tinigilan ng China ang gumamit ng dahas sa South China Sea, mapipilitang manghimasok ang US sa gulo. Di nakakailanganin ng Mutual Defense Treaty. Dedepensahan raw ng Estados Unidos ang kanilang kaalyadong bansa.
We're united in the vision of a free and open Indo-Pacific region, where countries follow the rules, cooperate whenever they can, and resolve their differences peacefully. And in particular, we will push back if necessary when China uses coercion or aggression to get its way.
Tinatakot pa ng China si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Kung ipagpapatuloy raw kasi ni PBBM ang pakikipagmatigasan sa China, malaking gulo raw ang kapalit nito. Sabay tawag ulit sa Pilipinas na utos-utosan lang ng US. Kung ako ang tatanungin, mas gugustuhin ko namang umanib sa Amerika. Noong World War II nga pinalaya tayo sa mananakop na Hapon Ngayong nagbabadya pa ang World War III, asahan mong nandyan talaga yan. Kaysa naman sa China, nako, walang kakwenta-kwenta yan.
The U.S. Department of State, who disregards the fact and confuses right with wrong, has made baseless attacks against China's legitimate and lawful actions to safeguard right. It has arbitrarily threatened China by resorting to the U.S.-Philippines Mutual Defense Treaty to embolden the Philippines and endorse its acts of infringement and provocation. We firmly oppose it. China urges the U.S. to refrain from using the Philippines as a pawn to destabilize the South China Sea. The Philippines also needs to refrain from being manipulated by the U.S. Lessons from history tell us that a pawn will only end up being abandoned.
Pero kung kayo naman kaya ang tatanungin, US ba o China ang aaniban natin? Ikomento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.